If you are walking through the busy streets of downtown and suddenly find yourself surrounded by towering palm trees, rushing waterfalls, and thousands of exotic flowers, you haven't lost your mind. You've just stumbled upon the city's oldest living museum. Welcome to the incredible Sunken Gardens. How did a lush tropical rainforest end up in the middle of a modern city? The history and facts of the Sunken Garden in St. Petersburg, Florida, go all the way back to 1911. A local plumber, avid gardener, and real estate prospector named George Turner Sr., along with his wife Eula, purchased 4.1 acres of land for just $600. The property featured a giant, muddy, water-filled sinkhole known as Curlew Pond. When the brutal Florida land bust and bank closures hit hard in the 1920s, Turner lost his savings. Instead of giving up, he decided to turn his gardening hobby into a serious endeavor. Using an elaborate maze of clay tiles, the clever plumber completely drained the massive sinkhole. What was left behind was a deep basin of nutrient-rich muck soil, the absolute perfect foundation for a botanical paradise. This rich soil allowed Turner to grow stunning tropical fruit trees, exotic shrubs, and vibrant flowers. His backyard was so beautiful that neighbors would constantly wander over just to take a stroll. Recognizing the opportunity by the early 1930s, Turner officially fenced the property and started charging visitors a 15-cent admission fee. In 1940, the family built their first official entrance and gift shop. Through the 1940s and 50s, the gardens exploded into a major social hub, hosting weddings, garden clubs, fashion shows, and even beauty pageants. It quickly grew into one of Florida's most iconic original roadside attractions, drawing hundreds of thousands of tourists long before the massive modern theme parks existed. There are some mind-blowing facts about this historic gem. First, the entire garden sits up to 15 feet below street level. Because it's built inside that ancient drained sinkhole, the moment you walk down the winding paths, the noisy sounds of the city completely vanish. The depression in the earth creates a peaceful, subtropical microclimate that protects the foliage from harsh winds. Today, the garden is packed with over 50,000 exotic plants from all over the world. Some of the spectacular flora, including massive royal palm trees and the breathtaking, multicolored rainbow eucalyptus tree, have been growing there for over a century, making the garden a literal living time capsule. In 1999, the city of St. Petersburg stepped in to purchase the property with a voter-approved tax, saving it from being paved over by developers and preserving its legacy forever. Today, it stands as a beautiful testament to old Florida charm. Whether you want to escape the intense Florida heat, marvel at century-old trees, or just step back in time, the Sunken Garden in St. Petersburg, Florida is a peaceful oasis you absolutely have to experience.